Number 1. 1984 Ford F1 XLT, $2,000, Littlestown, Pennsylvania. This 1984 Ford F1 XLT is an inexpensive example of Ford's brick-nose generation, powered by a 302 cubic inch small block V8 with a manual transmission. With only 50,000 miles reported, it has strong appeal as a straightforward project truck. The seller says it runs and drives well, with the main need being a missing or damaged front dashboard piece. At $2,000, it could make an excellent foundation for a light restoration while retaining its original character. The brown exterior and interior also give it a period-correct appearance. Number 2. 1983 Chevrolet C10, $9,500, Sterling, Virginia. This 1983 Chevrolet C10 is one of the more extensively modified trucks in the group. Originally a short bed, it has been converted to a long bed and features a rebuilt 305 cubic inch V8 performance camshaft, rebuilt 700 R4 automatic transmission, upgraded suspension, lowered springs and spindles, rebuilt brakes, and new cooling and fuel components. The rust-free frame is a major advantage, although rocker and cab corner rust remains. At $9,500, this is suited to a buyer seeking a customized classic rather than an original restoration. Number 3. 1986 GMC C60, $3,500, Parkville, Maryland. This 1986 GMC C60 is a genuine heavy-duty work truck with an interesting working history. It previously served as a car-moving lot dog and wood truck. Its original 350 cubic inch industrial small block 4-speed manual transmission and 2-speed rear axle provide useful working capability. The seller reports a recent clutch, fresh fluids, new steering tires, a tight steering box, and working heat. The 72,000-mile reading should be verified because the title reportedly shows a higher figure. At $3,500, it is an interesting choice for someone wanting a rugged vintage work truck. Number 4. 1978 Ford F-150 long bed, $4,200, Martinsburg, West Virginia. This 1978 Ford F-150 is presented as a usable classic cruiser rather than a finished restoration. A 351M crate engine was installed about 10 years ago, and the truck reportedly runs, stops, and drives well. The frame is very solid except for a small repair behind the rear bumper, while the bed has typical rust and some body filler. Small oil leaks are also present. At $4,200, it could be a sensible starting point for someone who wants to improve a truck gradually while enjoying it immediately. Number 5. 1973 Chevrolet C20, $1,500, Gansevoort, New York. At only $1,500, this 1973 Chevrolet C20 is one of the most affordable restoration opportunities here. It has a 350 cubic inch V8, TH400 automatic transmission, 2-wheel drive, and approximately 110,000 miles reported. It was driven daily until a rear leaf spring broke. The body and lower cab are rough, but new rocker panels, cab corners, and floor pans are included. A clean title adds appeal. Although it is not ready to drive, the strong drivetrain and extremely low price make it attractive to a hands-on restorer. Number 6. 1966 Chevrolet C10, $6,500, Newport News, Virginia. This This 1966 Chevrolet C10 is an appealing first-generation C10 project that reportedly runs and drives and has had only 2 owners. The burgundy exterior and matching interior give it a classic appearance, while the automatic transmission makes it easy to enjoy as a cruiser. The seller admits it needs work, although specific repairs are not listed. The reported 12,340 miles should be verified carefully. At $6,500, it could be a good foundation for a traditional restoration. Number 7. 1986 Dodge Ram 150, $7,000, Greenville, North Carolina. This 1986 Dodge Ram W150 has been transformed into a muscular custom truck. It features a new 318 cubic inch V8 with an Edelbrock air gap intake, Holley 4-barrel carburetor, headers, and new alternator, a suspension lift, 35-inch tires, new wheels, fresh paint, bed liner, refurbished seat, new carpet, upgraded stereo, and modern lighting add to its appeal. The main concern is the leaking automatic transmission, which needs an overhaul and new seals. It also needs brake, distributor, and windshield work. At $7,000, much of the customization is already complete. Number 8. 1966 Ford Ranchero Custom, $3,500, Hasbrook Heights, New Jersey. This 1966 Ford Ranchero Custom combines passenger car styling with genuine pickup utility. Its 289 cubic inch Windsor V8 and original 3-speed Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission provide a classic Ford driving experience. The custom trim, chrome accents, and bed rails add visual appeal, while black and red leather seats and a modern Bluetooth radio improve the interior. The unfinished exterior paint is one concern, but the damaged or altered title is more important and must be resolved. At $3,500, it is inexpensive for such a desirable body style. Number 9. 1984 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD, $2,500, Monroeville, Pennsylvania. This 1984 Chevrolet C30 dump truck is a practical heavy-duty classic rather than a showpiece. It has approximately 50,200 miles reported, a manual transmission, and a recently installed clutch. The immediate problem is a dead battery, and the truck has been sitting since its last inspection. Its value is mainly in the heavy-duty chassis and dump equipment. The buyer should inspect the hydraulic system, frame, brakes, suspension, and bed. At $2,500, it could be an inexpensive vintage work truck project if the mechanical systems are sound. Number 10. 1984 Ford F250 long bed, $3,500, Buena Vista, Virginia. This 1984 Ford F250 is a genuine farm truck powered by Ford's 6.9-liter diesel engine and manual transmission. The seller reports approximately 300,000 miles, but describes it as dependable for hauling feed, pulling loads, and farm work. Both fuel tanks work, and it has received new ignition components, filters, glow plugs and wires, ball joints, and serviced wheel bearings. The transmission shifts properly. A coolant flush is the main stated maintenance item. At $3,500, the mileage is a concern, but the documented work and proven farm history make it appealing. Number 11. 1986 Ford F-150 FX2, $875, Lexington, North Carolina. At just $875, this 1986 Ford F-150 is a budget-level project for an enthusiast willing to do repairs. It runs and moves under its own power, but must be trailered because it is not road ready. Needed work includes the power steering return line, belts, heater hose, fuel line, rear lighting wiring, tires, possible tie rod work, and interior door panels. With approximately 210,000 miles, careful inspection is important. Still, for less than $1,000, it could be an inexpensive entry into classic Ford truck ownership. Number 12. 1987 Ford F-150 XL long bed, $2,500, Newport News, Virginia. This 1987 Ford F-150 XL is a simple and affordable restoration candidate. It has a brown exterior and interior, approximately 102,350 miles, an automatic transmission, and only 2 owners. The seller describes it as a good running truck and a great restoration candidate without listing major mechanical problems. At $2,500, it offers an accessible starting point for someone who wants to bring an original late 80s Ford pickup back to life. Number 13. 1987 Dodge D350 dump truck, $3,000, Englishtown, New Jersey. This 1987 Dodge D350 is a classic heavy-duty work truck with approximately 99,000 miles. It is powered by a 5.9-liter engine and reportedly runs very well. The main issue is a leaking dump bed cylinder that needs attention if the hydraulic system is to function properly. At $3,000, it combines vintage Dodge styling with practical utility. A buyer should carefully inspect the hydraulic system, frame, dump mechanism, and chassis before using it for serious hauling. Number 14. 1979 Jeep Gladiator, $3,500. Moneta, Virginia. This 1979 Jeep Gladiator combines classic Jeep utility with a powerful drivetrain. It has a 400 cubic inch small block V8, TH400 automatic transmission, good tires, and a new aluminum radiator. The seller says it runs well, making it an interesting candidate for someone who wants a vintage Jeep pickup that can be enjoyed rather than completely rebuilt. The long bed adds useful cargo capacity. At $3,500, it looks like an appealing starting point for a driver-quality restoration or custom build. Number 15. 1984 Ford F-150 FX2, $5,500, Coeymans, New York. This 1984 Ford F-150 FX2 appears to be one of the most road-ready trucks in the group. The seller describes it as very clean, running exceptionally well, and having no known issues. It has approximately 101,000 miles, a 4-speed manual transmission, and recently received about $2,600 worth of work, including a carburetor rebuild. The seller also completed a 4.5-hour round trip with it. At $5,500, the price is higher than the rougher projects, but the recent work and demonstrated road performance help justify it. Number 16. 1967 Chevrolet C10 short bed, $8,000, Copper Hill, Virginia. This 1967 Chevrolet C10 short bed is described as a working shop truck rather than a show truck, giving it strong old-school character. It has a 350 cubic inch V8, 4-speed manual transmission, 3.73 rear gearing, new wheels and tires, and extensive recent mechanical work. The brakes, fuel system, starter, radiator, and clutch have been serviced or replaced. The seller reports that it runs, drives, and stops well with all lights working. Some rust is present, but the frame and floors are said to be good. At $8,000, it is a strong choice for someone seeking a usable vintage Chevrolet pickup with a traditional hot rod feel.